Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Pragya aka Glam by Pragya. So in today's video I am actually going to be talking about the Minimalist recent launch. They have done a recent launch of their Maleic Bond Repair Complex shampoo and hair mask. So after using it for 2 weeks now, I thought of reviewing it for you guys and what is my thoughts on it and everything. And this is something very interesting guys, and I think you guys should really watch this review before you go ahead and purchase it. So yes, without any further ado, let's just get a rolling. So now I have already done a review for the Maleic Bond Repair Complex, which has 0.5% of malic acid, and this is a hair serum which I have already done a review. You will find it here. But before that, I wanted to just make sure let you know that this product was not a very self-sufficient product for me personally, and I thought of trying out the other products they came out with. That is the reason why I got their shampoo and their hair mask, and I wanted to try it out and also recommend it to you guys before you guys go ahead and purchase it, because you need to know whether it's worth your money or not. So now coming to the shampoo, it is a Maleic Bond Repair Complex with 3.5% of malic acid. It has amino acids, vitamin B5, ceramides, which will repair and prevent hair damage, as it was said for this hair serum, and it has 250 ml of the shampoo. Now coming to the part where they mention who should use it, it says that who has weak hair and damaged hair, malic acid along with amino acids and transglutamise to repair and prevent damage to hair bonds, and it is a very gentle cleanser. It is balanced sulfate free cleanser for optimum cleansing without drying your hair. So these are all what it has mentioned, and it has key data that 13.1% increase in tensile strength of hair fiber in one wash. So it is gonna strengthen your hair fiber. Next, 64.3% reduction in combing force when hair is dry, resulting in hair breakage, and 59.4% reduction in combing force on wet hair. So basically it is going to repair the hair bonds, that when you are combing your hair, it shouldn't break from here. Hair fall is basically from here, so that is a different scenario. Basically they are targeting on the hair length, that it shouldn't break from here, because we have done so much of heat process that we do rough combing in wet hair, dry hair, also we have done bleach. So hair is very fragile, and at that time using external forces, it can also trigger to more damage, which we are not very much aware of. So that is why this shampoo is gonna strengthen your hair from first wash, they are claiming, and then it is gonna really make it soft and smooth and really make your hair look healthy. That is what the shampoo actually claims. This is how the shampoo bottle looks like. It looks very nice. I love their packaging. Honestly, they look very minimal, classy. I mean, I will not complain about their packaging. Anything white in packaging, I love it, because white is my favorite color, to be very honest. Like, I really love white. So anyways, so coming to the shampoo itself, it has a very nice consistency. It really lathers very well, and it has a very I would say thick consistency, but kind of when mixed with water, when you kind of emulsify it, it kind of lathers very well on your scalp. It cleansed my scalp very nicely. It was amazing. I would say the shampoo worked way better than I expected. The product, I really had least expectation, because sometimes shampoos don't suit me. I have tried multiple shampoos, so shampoos are something I'm very picky about. I have very thin hair, I don't have much of hair, and plus I have oily scalp. I don't have a very voluminous hair that I can say, so I am very skeptical about my shampoo. And also I have processed hair, like I've done keratin, bleach and hair coloring. I've done everything. I use his heat styling. So doing all of that on my hair, I need to really take care of it. So I need something that is going to be very promising, especially coming to shampoos. So this one was actually shockingly very nice. I was super impressed with the shampoo. So now coming to the hair fall part, while shampooing, the hair fall was minimal. Usually what I face, like amount of strands I get usually when I shampoo, that is the same thing I faced here. I didn't find any other extra hair fall after my shampoo when my hair was dry. So that is another thing. Also, another point is that when I shampooed my hair felt immediately very soft and very kind of moisturized. I would say while the water was going through my hair, I could feel my hair is feeling very hydrated. I have a oily scalp and I sweat a lot, so that sweat, dust and everything kind of really clogs up my scalp, so it does clean my scalp very well. I'm very happy with it. Now coming to their hair mask, which is their Maleic Bond Repair Complex 0.5%, which is a mask to kind of moisturize and repair your hair. Same thing, it contains transglutamides and amino acids and ceramides. So now coming to a very important fact, these two products actually don't have any fragrance to it. So if you are somebody who prefers a hair care product that doesn't have fragrance, this can be a great buy for you, because I was thinking that this will have fragrance because this serum had a pathetic smell to it. So I was expecting a same sort of fragrance in it, but fortunately they have no fragrance to it, no parabens, sulfates, dyes, essential oil, and it is dermatologically tested, and it has 3.4 to 4.4 of pH. So this can be a great buy for you if you are looking for something very fragrance free in your hair care product. Okay, so now how to use this mask. They have said you have to apply it on your damp hair after you have shampooed, but when I want a bit more of conditioning, I do keep it for 10-15 minutes also. I think that just makes a little bit of more difference in like conditioning my hair. I feel my hair feels more hydrated and more smooth according to me. Now the consistency of this mask is super interesting to me. Amazing, like consistency which I feel I have never seen in a mask. Like I don't know, it just reminds me of the Cosrx snail mucin type like consistency, but not that much. It is creamy, so it has very nice moisturizing feel to it. I felt immediately my hair was moisturized and smooth and soft, and after keeping it for 10-15 minutes, when I washed it off, my hair was superbly soft and amazingly like healthy looking, which I was like so happy with. And I'm very happy with this purchase, that this mask was too good to be true. Like I'm in love with this. This is gonna be my new favorite hair mask. So I've actually used it today. If you can see, my hair looks very shiny, very reflective as I wanted it. So that's it, you guys. I hope you liked the video. Please make sure to like and subscribe to my channel, and that's it. We'll see you guys in my next video. Till then, bye bye.